Good day. I'm Vanessa Corable from Bachelor of Science in Criminology 1. Today, I will be going to discuss about plea and arraignment. What is the purpose of each proceeding and how is it done? What is arraignment and plea? One of the first steps of the criminal trial process is the arraignment. Sometimes, an arraignment comes shortly after the arrest and booking of a defendant. When it is typically combined with a bail hearing for those defendants who are never arrested because they were served with a summons or citation. Instead, the arraignment is typically their first court date. In felony cases, the arraignment is sometimes delayed until after the grand jury returns an indictment. Despite the differences in process, the basic structure of an arraignment hearing is the same for all defendants at the arraignment. A judge will formally state the charges against the defendant. If bail has not yet been set in the case, it will be addressed at arraignment. Then, the defendant will be apprised of their rights and asked to enter a plea to the charges. This process would usually take place in a courtroom. But sometimes, arraignments occur in a special room inside the jail, or even through a video feed. Although the exact process and rules may differ from state to state and jurisdiction to jurisdiction, this article provides a general overview of what to expect at an arraignment hearing. An arraignment is a hearing in court before a judge in which the charges and the possible penalties are read aloud to you. You will be asked to enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. If you had not an opportunity to consult an attorney prior to the arraignment and you wish to do so, you should enter a plea of not guilty. It will be responsible at a later time to change this plea to guilty or no contest without any additional penalties to you. If you plead not guilty at the arraignment, the judge will set a date for trial approximately 4 weeks from the day of arraignment. Pleading not guilty at the arraignment leaves all your options open until you have more time to decide what you want to do. If you do not want to contest the charge or talk to an attorney, you can plead guilty or no contest at the arraignment, and the judge will usually sentence you on the spot. If you were involved in an auto accident but you would not want to contest the traffic tickets always plead uh, no contest rather than guilty. So, and that's all for and that's all for today. So